Welcome to Hydrology Hub. In this lecture, I am demonstrating how to create hazard vulnerability map in QGIS for report preparation. So let's start. Creating a map in QGIS involves a series of steps from loading data to finalizing a layout for export. Following the procedure defined in the sources, here is the step-by-step process. First, open QGIS. Now add data. First click Layer, then select Add Raster Layer. A window will open here. Select Source. In our case, we are selecting a hazard map prepared from HackRAS and exported as hazard.tif. You can select a map layer for which you want to prepare a printable map in QGIS. Right-click on Hazard layer on the left panel and select Properties. A layer property window will open. Here, select Render type as single band pseudo color. Select Interpolation as discrete. Select minimum as 0 and maximum value as 6. Select a color ramp. Select classes as 6. Select mode as equal. Now click apply and then click OK. Now check whether SCMGIS plugin is installed in your QGIS. If it is not installed, first install SCMGIS. Click SCMGIS and click Base Maps and select an appropriate map you want to include in your printable map. Here I am selecting Google Satellite Hybrid. Now Google Satellite Hybrid map is visible in the working window. In order to place the Google Satellite Hybrid map in the background, therefore shift it down below the map. Now set up the print layout. Select Project and click New Project Layout. A window will open here. Give the print layout title. I am providing name as Hazard Map. Select page size and orientation. Here I am selecting A4 and portrait. Add the map. Click the Add Item, Add Map button on the left toolbar and click and drag a rectangle on the canvas where you want the map to appear. Now it is rendering and the map will appear in the rectangle. On the left panel, select the item properties. Enter the scale value. Here I am entering as 2 lakh. In the main property, select CRS, Project CRS or Default CRS. Expand grid. Click on plus sign to add grid. Click Modify grid. Use CRS as default CRS. Select X and Y as 0.05 and 0.05. Select grid type as frame and annotations only. Expand frame and select frame type as zebra. Select draw coordinate. For left and right coordinates, select vertical ascending. Exit from map grid properties. Now click add item, then add legends. Make a rectangle in the map. Legends will appear there. Resize the legends to accommodate the legends. Now place the legends rectangle at an appropriate place in the map. Again, click Add Item and select North Arrow. Add a rectangle and the north arrow will appear there. Now place the north arrow in the map at appropriate place. Click Add Item again and select Label. Create a rectangle on the map, and on the left panel under the main properties, type the map title. Here it is Hazard Map Kanhar Dam. Select the font and its size. Now to save the map, click Project, select Import oblique Export, and then Export to PDF. Type a file name and select Path and save it. Now you can see the generated PDF of the map and use it for your report. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe to Hydrology Hub, share your queries in the comments. Keep learning, keep modeling. This is Hydrology Hub.